Once upon a time, there lived a child named Yusuf. Yusuf was known for his kind heart and willingness to help others. He lived happily with his parents, who instilled in him the value of kindness and compassion. Every day, Yusuf would accompany his mother to the market to buy groceries. He loved helping her carry the bags and selecting the freshest fruits and vegetables. His cheerful behavior and eagerness to lend a hand always brought smiles to the faces of the vendors. One sunny day, while playing with his friends in the neighborhood park, Yusuf noticed an elderly man struggling to carry a heavy bag. Without a second thought, he dashed towards the man and offered to help him. The old man was touched by Yusuf's gesture and gladly shared his luggage to the young boy. Yusuf carried the bag with care and walked beside the old man until they reached his destination. The man was so grateful for Yusuf's assistance that he showered him with blessings and thanked him profusely. He then whispered to Yusuf, "Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, said, 'Whoever relieves a Muslim of a burden from the burdens of the world, Allah will relieve him of a burden from the burdens on the day of judgment.'" Yusuf beamed with joy, his heart filled with warmth and happiness. He realized that even the smallest act of kindness could make a big difference in someone's life. From that day on, Yusuf made it his mission to help others in any way he could, knowing that his actions were pleasing to God. And so the town of Yusuf was filled with love, compassion, and unity. All inspired by the kind-hearted gestures of a little boy who believed in the power of helping others.